Alright, so you're playing Marvel Rivals and you are having performance issues. Sorry, I was thinking of another way to word that. Anyhow, what can you do to improve your performance? Well, first thing you can do is subscribe to the channel. That'll probably give you like another 30 FPS. But once you've done that, there are things that you need to consider. Do you meet the minimum requirements of the game? Now, I know it's 2024 and a lot of people have great PCs, but a lot of people don't, and they also are trying to play Marvel Rivals. Now, I happen to be one of those people. For instance, my specs are an i7 4790 and a GTX 970, 16 gigs of RAM, by the way. So that's DDR3 as well. And I can still play Marvel Rivals at about 30 FPS. So, what are my settings? Have a look. So here we are in the settings for Marvel Rivals. First off, my display mode. Everybody says full screen will give you more performance. I just don't find that to be the case as somebody with an actual low spec PC. Borderless window does it for me. Keep in mind I do play the game at 1080p. Also keep in mind it's not installed on a solid state drive. It is on a regular old hard drive. Anti-aliasing, I go with AMD FSR. They say if you are running an NVIDIA card, there is a different option. FSR works for me, so why change it? And it is set to performance mode. Sharpening is set to 54. I find setting it too high does make things look a bit weird. Everything else I have just turned to either very low or off, and in the graphics settings, I have turned everything down to low, obviously. Now I should be switching those screen space reflections off, but again, I'll leave them on. I don't have any real issues. Maybe I could squeeze a little bit more FPS if I did turn those off. So another thing would be to make sure your drivers are up to date. Again, this is not something I commonly experience where outdated drivers are the problem, but we're trying everything here. So check your drivers, NVIDIA, whatever graphics card you're using. Go to Google and search latest drivers. It shouldn't be too difficult. And that's really all I've got for you guys. Thank you for watching.